Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Okay, so I know I always come to you guys looking a mess. I know, but it is what it is. Cause I just my vlogs just be random. I just be like, okay, I'm gonna vlog today. So that's why once I'm like vlogging, I will, try to be different. But it's vlogs. You're gonna get what you get. You're gonna get what you get, because we starting out the vlog. When I'm going out, you see what I look like. When I'm not going out, you see what I look like. So we are friends, okay? Friends don't hide from friends. You know what I mean? Like, we cool. So you gotta be able to see me like this. Okay, so I don't know if I already told you guys. I'm trying to leave my house because I'm gonna go to Ross or in Burlington. Depends on where I find what I'm looking for. That's where I'm going. Whoa. Anyway, I'm a mess. I'm building up the core things because I am fixing my beauty room / office. So I was looking for 2 stools, and I've been looking for them everywhere, and I can't find them. So I'm still looking. I actually found them on Amazon. I just want to see. I don't want them to come so little. So I want to see what size they are. So I'm not good at like reading the size and be like, oh, this is what is gonna be around. So I'm not too good at that, so I need to see it. Yes. They finally have what I was looking for. Hopefully it's around my price range. Yes. This is what I was looking for. Okay, so look, I need to glue this and stuff, but I'd rather buy $24. The one on Amazon was $43. So you guys don't understand. I've been coming here for like the past 4 weeks looking for this thing, and I couldn't find it. Finally, I found something close to what what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have pink and black desk and stuff like that, but I want like white accent stuff. And then I'm probably gonna spray paint the feet, because I don't know, we'll see, because I have all the feet of my chairs and stuff like that gold. Girl, I ain't playing. Anyways, I'm gonna go to Target and get the spray paint so I can spray paint them so they can start getting dry. Oh my god, I'm so excited. My room is coming together. Now the next thing I need to get, I you know those IKEA shelves that have like small shelf that people just put on the wall and they put decorative stuff on there? I want to get one of those. So, oh, the lighting in here is really nice. Anyways, that's what I want to get, and I can't wait. Oh my god, I can't believe I got these things in. They are really decent size. Like I can sit on here. Oh my god, you guys don't understand. I get really excited when it comes to decorative stuff. So y'all, I got a mount to hold my phone, because right now this phone you can tell already where it's at. So I got this for $4.99. I want to see how it works, because I got one last time and it wasn't working. I'm tired of driving and holding my phone. So this is what it looks like. It's supposed to be in the vent, so I'm gonna stick this thing in and see how it works. Alright, it's supposed to work like this. I'm not gonna put this right here because it's too close to me. So I'm gonna put it on the second one. And then it's supposed to go like this. But I don't know if I'm gonna be able to see, if you guys gonna be able to see me. Let me fix it. Hold on. Alright, so that's it. And I don't know how I feel about it, because I don't know. I just like to. I wish it was further. We're gonna go home. I'm gonna show you guys what I have so far for the office, because I talk about the office a lot and I never really show you guys. I feel like I'm just like showing you guys the car, to be honest. That thing is not on me. Okay, y'all, so I am back home, and I said I was gonna show you guys what I have for my office. So I'm gonna go show you guys in a minute, but first I want to show you guys the spray paint that I got these ones. I hope they match, but they're gold. I think even if they're not that close, it'll be fine, because it's gold. I don't think it's gonna make any difference. But let me show you guys what I have for the place. Hold on one second, let me put this down. So you guys already know I got these things. These are the things I have. I have this light I bought at IKEA. I got a shade at IKEA. Oh my god, it's so loud out here. Sorry if you guys hear the noise, but shoot, it's actually really loud. All right, let me go show you guys the room. Hopefully the noise stopped by then, and then I'll come back. Okay, y'all, I have these lights that when I used to do makeup video that I bought. So these are here. This is the pen in color. This is too close. But as you can see, it's pink. You're gonna see this here. I started painting it, but then I was like, I want an accent wall, so I'm gonna, the stairs gonna kill me. So I decided to do an accent wall here. So I'm not gonna do another coat of paint. So that's why it's like this. But I already painted this side, that side. And then this is the rug that I have to put in here. Let me open it for you guys. Whew. I have this rug to put in here. I picked the light color that I have in here for this wall, like something close. And then I'm gonna put the black desk over it. So this is where we are. I have the closet here. This closet is big. We got a chair in there. Yeah. But yeah, this is the room. I'm gonna change these. I don't know. I wanna change it to the color that I have the whole house in. So the whole house is like silver. So I wanna change those to silver. But yeah, and then these ones, I wanna do like a mirrored thing just to glam it up. And then there's none here, but I'm gonna install a lamp here. I don't know if I can afford it, but yeah, I'm gonna put a lamp up here, and then my curtain is gonna go here. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Tomorrow is gonna be the project. Tomorrow I'm gonna start fixing all my stuff for this room. Whatever I don't have, I'm gonna build on the whole office. This is the kids playing up here. I want to do a project here too because I need to install curtains on both of them. Then put what's this called? TV stand. Put a TV stand right under this TV. Kind of like glam it up, make it nice. That's what I'm gonna do. But I'm gonna go in the garage again and see if it's not that much noise again. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys the rundown on how my office is gonna be. So, like I said, those chairs I was telling you guys about, this is the bottom. I already took it out so I can spray paint it. I'm gonna spray paint this, and that's why I bought 2 spray bottles. And then this thing right here is a white, it's a shelf. So what I'm gonna do with that is put it in the where you guys saw the light, and then so I can put like face caring stuff, like so I can do facials and stuff, make it look real cute. And then like I said, this is the lamp light. I don't think I see the lamp. I have the lamp somewhere, but this is the lamp light. I'm gonna put this calendar up there. So this calendar gonna go in the room. It's so cute. I have those gold accent. This is stuck to the calendar. It's so cute. I got this vase. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this vase, but I know I'm gonna use it in the house. And I got this lamp. These things are not for the office. It's just for the house. This lamp I bought it for $5 at the Goodwill. And then this is the desk. This is the first one. You see the gold feet? And then this is my this one that I do my makeup. That's the back of it. That's why it still looks like it's painted like that. So what I need is to go to IKEA and get the glass that goes on top of here. So this is the sign I'm gonna put on my door. I need to fix this because they had that green and white thing and I didn't like it, so I spray painted black. These vases are for the house too. I've spray painted this black vases for the house. And then this little thing, I spray painted gold too because I'm thinking I put a flower and then put it on the shelf that I was telling you guys about. And then this is the clear chair. I put it over here so I can spray paint the leg that's over here. I'm gonna do that today so it can be dry, so that tomorrow when I start putting my things in my office, so it can be nice. Alright, so yeah, that's it.
Just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it. 'Cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy. So don't be lazy. Just give it to me. 'Cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I play cool, 'cause I hope you pick it up soon. And you know just what to do, don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it. 'Cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy. So don't be lazy. Just give it to me. 'Cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Don't tell me how you feel, so quiet laying next to me. The silence souvenir, letting you go, letting you go. Keep craving you the days that you don't want me, like searching for some heat inside a cold breeze. On and on forever, won't you hold me? Now won't you hold me? Oh, 'cause baby I try to tell lies. Now I could spell them out if I still tried. 'Cause I don't care as long as you're there. As long as you're there. Baby, we can do this all